Captain, we have an emergency. The engine room is flooding and we are losing power.
Sound the general alarm. All crew to emergency stations.
Aye, Captain.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Villa. MB Villa, MB Villa. Call sign Delta, X-ray, Kilo, Yankee, Lima, Alpha. MMSI number 548762000. Mayday. This is MB Villa. Call sign Delta, X-ray, Kilo, Yankee, Lima, Alpha. MMSI number 548762000. Position 15 degree 36 minutes north, 125 degree 36 minutes east. We are taking on water and require immediate assistance. Over.
This is Rescue Coordination Center, RCC in Villa, Manila. Copy your distress call. What is your current situation, sir?
We are listening to port. Engine room is flooded and we have 8 crew on board, including the captain and the checkmate, requesting immediate evacuation.
All crew, prepare to abandon ship. Chief officer and steward, all lifeboats and life rafts are ready for deployment.
Aye, Captain. All crew to your life raft and proceed to capture station.
Radio officer, update RCC on our situation.
RCC, this is MB Villa. We are abandoning ship. Our last known position is 15 degree 39 minutes north, 125 degree 36 minutes east. Over.
This is RCC. I understood the standby for rescue operation. Stay on channel 16.